Man, we're out here for a little cruise today.
I'd like to say we're going on a little adventure. That's a good way to get warmed up.
The leaves are the only thing that are a little bit slick, but we rode them out a bit the other day, so it's not too bad. This is the upper little circle track. Here, I'll take you a lap on the lower one. Get it, Craig. You first this time. Have you not done that one yet?
No, because remember I overjumped that, hurt my ankle.
Oh yeah, isn't that a fun loop?
I wasn't even like paying attention to that. You took me through that loop last time. I was like, bro, get me home. All right, what's next, cowboy?
Are we looking at the doubles today, boys?
Let's get up there and have a look.
Test them out. What were you guys hitting them in?
Second all the way.
All the way?
Yeah, the last one you gotta give it the juice. But you can also click and hit the last one in third and send it pretty deep if you want to.
Yeah, that's a lot of them. How many is that?
6.
Holy shit.
A little muddy over there. Juice it! Oh!
Yeah, I think freaking. I need to hit this one a little smoother. You might be right. For my bike, I might want to go third and just.
Yeah, Craig! You got that, bro.
What do you do for that very last one that we're all avoiding?
I just said, let me take the left side.
Yeah, I was like, my bad, dude.
I was so sick, I'm gonna have to follow you off that thing.
Okay,
Yeah, let's do it.
We need to all send it now.
Oh, yeah.
You were pretty on point with it. You said freaking second gear tap is like at the bottom. No, slow crank.
That's a 6-pack with the pit back and pals. Yeah, boy! Yeah, baby! So righteous, dude!